Welcome, Toyota Hilux owners. Let's discuss common engine problems and how to prevent them, ensuring your vehicle's reliability. First, fuel injector failure in pre-2007 D4D models. This affects 2.5 liters and 3.0 D4D diesels built before August 2007. The root cause is copper injector seals failing under extreme pressure, allowing hot gases to escape and carbonize engine oil. Warning signs include excessive rattling on cold start, rough idle, increased smoke, and eventual oil starvation. Prevent this by replacing copper seals with updated aluminum versions. Budget for injector service on used purchases. Fixed cost is moderate to high. Next, timing chain failure in 2016 and newer to 0.8 LGD engines. This affects 1G DFTV series from approximately 2016 onward. The timing chain driving the fuel and oil pump can snap. Toyota attributes this to contaminated fuel causing pump seizure. Warning signs include sudden engine stoppage, often with little warning, typically before 100,000 kilometers. Prevent this by using only high-quality fuel. Consider secondary fuel filtration and replace the pressurized fuel filter every 20,000 kilometers. The fixed cost is very high, often requiring engine repair or replacement, potentially up to $18,000 USD. Electrical and sensor issues affect all modern models, particularly 2007 plus D4D variants with complex ECU systems. Faulty injector operation creates electrical noise, corrupting sensor signals. Modified wiring can also prevent proper diagnostics. Warning signs include warning lights, stalling, excessive smoke, and erratic behavior mimicking mechanical failure. Diagnosis requires oscilloscope diagnostics, not just code readers. Always check for aftermarket wiring modifications. The fix often involves injector driver unit replacement once the true root cause is identified. Power loss and turbo problems affect multiple generations. A common culprit is wastegate valve failure, preventing proper boost pressure. Symptoms include poor throttle response, stalling, increased fuel consumption, and a driving through treacle sensation. The fix is turbocharger or wastegate replacement. Another culprit is a failing high-pressure fuel pump destroying fuel volume regulators. Symptoms include repeated regulator failure, power loss, and stalling. The fix is to replace the high-pressure fuel pump. Support system failures include alternator issues, where brushes inside the voltage regulator wear out. Symptoms are the battery light illuminating and electrical systems cutting in and out. The fix is alternator replacement or regulator rebuild. Water pump issues involve gasket leaks, where coolant evaporates before hitting the ground due to engine heat. Symptoms include pink coolant puddles for large leaks, or unexplained coolant loss. Prevent with correct coolant and regular replacement. Clutch issues in diesel models. The factory clutch lacks clamping force for heavy towing or off-road use. Symptoms are premature clutch failure under load. Upgrade to an aftermarket heavy-duty clutch kit for a lasting fix. Petrol engine quirks include clogged intake hoses, faulty spark plugs, failing ignition coils, and mass airflow meter problems. Symptoms are uneven running, jerking on acceleration, stuttering at idle, and reduced power. Cleaning clogged hoses often restores normal operation. Older generation 1990s Hilux Surf with 2.4 L diesel can have fuel system sensitivity, specifically fuel pressure regulation failure. Symptoms include the engine bogging down at 3,000 RPM under load and the check engine light illuminating. This is caused by improper calibration of the electronically controlled fuel pump. Fix with precise recalibration after component replacement. Here is a quick prevention checklist. Replace injector seals, use premium fuel, maintain factory wiring, and perform regular oil changes. Monitor battery voltage, use correct coolant. Upgrade your clutch for heavy use, and ensure clean fuel with proper calibration. Watch for cold start rattle, sudden power loss with check engine light, rough idle with excessive smoke, and flickering battery light. Unexplained coolant loss or engine stoppage before 100,000 kilometers also require immediate attention. The Hilux legend is earned through proper maintenance. These problems are predictable and manageable, not random breakdowns. Address them proactively. and your Hilux will deliver the reliability it's famous for. Drive safe.